Let's take a look inside the swag bag from the Great Tennessee Yarn Tour. So tickets for the tour cost $20, and you get this really cool swag bag with the logo on the front, and then the list of the future destinations on the back. That kind of fun. Here's the names of the places and then the towns in Tennessee where they are. Inside comes the official guidebook for the Great Tennessee Yarn Tour. This is really fun. You can put your name in here and contact number, because really you're going to want to keep this as a memento. Some notes, little welcome. Here's a checklist. So there's an interactive map that you can have. Or here's all the places. So we started here on number 8, and you can go all the way up to Kingsport and all the way over here to a little bit west of Chattanooga. So it's going to be a busy time. Here you can mark out where you went and when, so you can keep track of that. And then just details about all the shops here. There's even an alpaca farm we get to go to. Then here's a souvenir list. Each store has those mini skeins, so you can write the colorway, what's the fiber content, and where you got it from, like what yarn store did you get it from. Any notes, the designers of the pattern, there's some vendors, and just the acknowledgments. And stay in touch with everybody. So this is really cool. I can't wait to fill out my notebook. So the patterns that we're talking about, you might have seen them in the video, and here they are, but there's a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern. They're really nice plastic covers so that you can easily carry them around with you. And then a sticker with the logo on it. And finally, the stitch marker with the logo on it. I think my daughter took the stitch marker part off, but that's a stitch marker. Isn't it cute? Put that in there so nobody gets hurt. See, now it's a stitch marker. So I bought some things today at the yarn shop. This is the colorway, the little mini skein. The colorway is Summer in the Smokies, and this is from Trilogy Yarns. Beautiful hand-dyed yarn, and I can't wait to use this. I think I'm going to try it and go ahead and collect all the mini skeins so I can make up this wrap. It's called the Epic Road Trip Wrap, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to collect all of the mini skeins. Each yarn shop will have different colorways, and it'll be kind of like a little souvenir wrap for the end. My husband's like, do people make wraps? Do they wear wraps? I don't get it. So I'll make my first wrap and I'll wear it. Then I also got this sticker. I think this is from Ad Knits. Yeah, Ad Knits sticker. This is special to me because this is Klingman's Dome, and that's local in the Smoky Mountains. And it's got yarn ball for the sun and just like knitted textures for the mountains. And then from Ad Knits as well, there's this Pearl Scouts merit badge. And the merit badge is Yarn Chicken Champ. I actually just won a thing of Yarn Chicken the other day. So I've seen these on Etsy, and I was really glad to pick them up today at Hook and Needle. So that's what I have inside my tote bag. All right, I may as well fill out my official guidebook. Maybe I'll do this after each destination. This guidebook belongs to Aaron's. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna fill that out later so you guys don't have my phone number. Yep. There's other things I need to pack, but anyway, I've got my ticket, I've got my tote bag, my sticker, my stitch marker, my crochet pattern. Sorry, I don't knit, so we're gonna cross it out. And then I'll make sure I have these checked for my other trips. Okay, so we've gone here. We did this on 8, 4, 3. I guess we put that on here. August 4th we did hook and needle. Needle. Easy. And then the colorway was what? Fiber content is 80% superwash merino and 20% nylon. Hook and needle. I think these should be a little bit bigger. Yay! Maybe one year I'll get on the vendors here. I hope so.